Hi friends, I'll show you how to make this easy pen stand using ice cream sticks. So what you need are 3 sets of ice cream sticks. I've colored them in 3 different colors and taken 20 of each color. Some glue and some decoratives. Now take 3 ice cream sticks of 3 different colors. Put glue on the ends. Like this. Make a triangle. Now put glue on this end and take this stick and put it over it. So what you get is a triangle like this. Now let this dry and make similar triangles with the remaining sticks. I've already made more triangles. Now we'll start joining them. We'll put glue here on the 3 ends. Now we'll put it on this, but at an angle. Like this. Now join the others. Keep joining the pieces. Now I'm gonna keep this. I had kept a triangle aside, which I'll use now. And I also kept some more ice cream sticks, which I'll use. Now we'll basically make the base. It will look like this. Now we'll need to cut this extra part. Now with the cutouts, you'll need to close the remaining part. Like this. Once again glue it. Take your pen stand and put glue on one side. Like this. Now take this and paste it in this way. Now once this dries, now turn the base is also dried. Now I'll start decorating it. I have some stars which I'll put here. First I'll put the dots with glue. Now I'll put the stars. This way it is looking. Do the same with the other sides as well. I have put the stars on all sides. Now it's ready for use. See how it looks. Please like my video and leave your comment below. And subscribe to my channel for more interesting works. Thank you for watching.